Hi guys, my name is Puneet Bhargava. I'm a motivational speaker. My basic profession is I'm a real estate broker with Guarantee Real Estate here in Fresno. So today's motivational story is dedicated to my friend Miss Lupita Uribe. You can see her face here. Uh, I had posted the same story uh, on Facebook, but my friend Lupita Urebe commented on there that she wants to uh, see the story in English because the previous story was in Hindi. So she said she could not hear the story because of the language. So I have doing this video dedicated to her in English. So here goes the story. So in one city, there was a very big businessman and he had lot of money, but because of losses in business, he lost everything and he was broke. So to get some peace in mind, he went to a temple and after praying before God, he was sitting on a bench outside the temple and he was just thinking. Uh, After some time, a man came and sit in front of this businessman. The man asked, "Hey, what is what is the matter? How is everything going on?" So the businessman started telling his story, how he lost his wealth, how he had a loss in business. So this man said, "Hey, nothing to worry. I am the richest man of this city. I have all the money." So he said, "Let me help you." And the guy took out a checkbook and wrote a check in the name of that businessman of $50 million. dollars. And he said, "Hey, I am leaving this check without a date. Okay. You can cash it anytime you need the money and use it. It's all yours." So the businessman asked, "Hey, so how will I return you the money?" So the richest man said, "No worries, you can come here after a year and return my money." Businessman became very happy. He went to his house. He said, "Okay, when I will need the check, I will cash it." He kept the check in his closet and with his all plans, with his all mind, and with his skills, he re-established the business. And this time the business was even much better. Uh, so after a year, when the day came, he said, "Okay, let me go and return his check." He took out the check and went to the same temple and he was sitting there. While the man was sitting there, he saw the richest person of the city. He was running, coming towards the temple, and three, four guys who were from a nearby mental hospital were running after this guy. So the businessman was surprised. He asked those mental staff, mental hospital staff, "Hey, what's the matter?" They told him, "Hey, this is a mental patient." Uh, so the businessman was surprised. He asked them, "Okay, so he gave me a check a year back." Those guys said, "Hey, he got the check from a trash can and he has nothing in that account or nothing. He just got the check from the garbage can and he gave it to you." So the businessman thought, "Oh my gosh, so the check had no value, nothing of the sort of $50 million. It was check, not even a check because it was signed by an unauthorized person. But just because I had that piece of paper, the money was here, and it gave me such a strength that I was able to reestablish my business and everything just because I had everything here. So, the crux of the story is our wisdom, our skills, our honesty makes us rich again, and our luck. So, in case we work anything honestly, sincerely, and we are hardworking, just a little confidence from something can be great, even with that piece of paper. Uh, Hopefully, you like the story. If you like the story, subscribe my channel, like the video, maybe comment, and uh, hit the bell icon. And this video is dedicated to Lupi Mendez, Lupi Urebe, my realtor friend. Thanks, Lupi. See you again in another video. Bye.